According to the tablet, the nitrogen levels are stabilizing.
Good, we can proceed with the adjusted irrigation schedule for the watermelons.
Large rolls of biodegradable black plastic mulch are automatically laid by a specialized industrial gray laying machine.
Mira aquí, este está un poco flojo. Sí, lo arreglo.
Sowing Desert King watermelon, Seedless Elite, and Striped Emerald. The drone captures the precision of the planting.
The AI is flagging this section for the Desert King. I think we need to bump the irrigation schedule.
Agreed. The moisture data is slightly off kilter here. Let's push the adjustment through.
The first tiny, healthy Desert King watermelon sprouts emerge through the mulch. Automated weather stations
pull it tighter on your end.
Okay, locking it in now.
Subsurface probes relay root zone data, ensuring optimal growth and nutrient uptake. A digital schematic.
The first tiny, pale yellow flowers appear on the Desert King watermelon vines, indicating the transition to
Anemometers constantly measure air movement, critical for preventing powdery mildew in dense vine crops. Here we see the successful pollination of the Desert King watermelon. We tag the newly set fruit with
Este se ve mejor. Hay que quitar los pequeños para que crezca bien.
The leaf density and stem diameter are remarkable.
Yes, the cumulative data confirms we're exceeding every target for the Desert King.
Automated sensor systems confirm that the climate is stable and dry. Ideal conditions.
Check the map for your routes and remember the safety lift. Only pick the ones with the deep striped emerald color and the dry tendril.
Gently now, don't let that one slip. Got it, looks clear on this side.
The large, heavy Desert King watermelon fruit enters a massive, enclosed stainless steel washing chamber.
The Desert King watermelon passes through a secondary rinsing station, where a fine mist is applied, followed by a final rinse.
The netted Desert King watermelon is moved via an industrial-gray automated trolley system into the massive cold storage warehouse.
We need that truck cleared in 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Bay 2 is ready now.
Discover the premium quality of our Desert King Seedless Elite. Perfectly ripe, with a high Brix level for ultimate sweetness.
15.2 pounds. Got the traceability scan.
Thank you very much.
This is the moment we've waited for. Let's slice this beautiful striped emerald and reveal the perfect fruit inside.
This Desert King is incredibly sweet.
And perfectly seedless, too.
It's so refreshing on a hot day.